Have you ever wanted to know how to make your weekly computer task and reports more streamlined? Ever wanted to know how to compare spreadsheets in minutes rather than hours? Make a form auto-populate and have drop-down selections? Want to know how to make a template rather than a document or a spreadsheet and what the difference is? Ever tried to learn but got overburdened by the excessive videos that went on and on only to learn one thing in 20 minutes? I'm creating training that gets to the point and will teach you what I've learned and implemented in my 25 plus years of working behind a computer and specializing in Microsoft Excel. What works and what doesn't. Things that have helped me rapidly advance in my career when it comes to working at a computer, analyzing data, spreadsheets, creating documents, and presentations. So if you want a crash course in improving and increasing your day-to-day office computer skills, please check out more videos.